Hi, my name is Christian and I'm with CE Engineering. We're here today to show you what happens behind the scenes in your air conditioner. When we come and help you with your air conditioner, first thing we do is we measure the airflow. And by doing so, we will take the before and after temperature and airflow reading to make sure that you have a differential of about 10 degrees C and an airflow increase of about 1.2 to 2 meters per second. All that can be done with precise measurement, and we also have a temperature gauge gun where we can measure your off-coil temperature to make sure that your compressors are running efficiently and at its best. Now, we're going to show you what we do when we clean this coil. We use what we call an alkaline-based water. This will be applied onto your coil, just like this. And what happens is, it dislodges all the dirt that's stuck in your coil over the years. This is non-corrosive, but it is also a very good cleaning agent to help dislodge any fungus, mold that has accumulated over the years. We also clean up your blow wheel underneath. And so this is a primer before we use our high pressure jet. We have termed Jetclean. So this is what we do. So once the coil has been cleaned, we will also make sure that the blower wheel is also cleaned out underneath. And as you can see, that the blower wheel is usually the usual culprit of musky smells and poor airflow. So once that has been done, you can now see that when we turn the aircon on, we can measure the airflow again, and you would have seen an increase in temperature, differential and airflow reading. So we turn it on and we use our gauge to measure the airflow. So you can see the speed now, it's about 4 meters per second. And it should go up to even 5 meters per second. So you can see 4.2, 4.5. So this is a good gauge of how well your system is operating and functioning on a daily basis. Because for every meter per second decrease, you're essentially using up about 30 to 40% more electricity than you normally would. Same thing with the temperature. And you can see my off-coil temperature is now at about 9 degrees, which is really good. And that tells you that the compressors are also very healthy, because your delta T, your differential between the temperature off coil and on coil, is about 10 degrees C, which is what your home air conditioning or your small office air conditioning system is designed to do. Unlike your refrigerators or your car air conditioner, which can give you a delta T of about 20 degrees. So all that we will cover later. We hope you enjoyed it.